Hello, everyone. In this session, we will cover the Employee Skills and Qualifications screen and understand how to add employee skills, competencies, qualifications, and previous experience in the Onfinity system. To start, let's cover the use case overview. The following details will be captured for the employee. Employee competencies include adaptability and learning agility, technical skills, and teamwork and collaboration, with proficiency level as very good. Employee skills include technical proficiency, time management, attention to detail, teamwork, and communication. Employee qualifications include MBA completed in 2023 from Punjab University and BCA completed in 2021 from Delhi University. Previous experience includes 1 year of experience. The organization is SSD, and the field is the same domain. Steps to add skills and qualifications. Admin logs into the Onfinity system. Go to Menu, select HR Management, navigate to Workforce Management, and click on Skills and Qualifications. Add employee competency details, add employee qualification details, add employee skills, and add previous experience, if any. Prerequisites. Before adding employee skills and qualifications, ensure the following data already exists in the system: employee personal information, university master data, skills master, and competency master. These masters must be predefined to enable smooth data entry. Use case execution. Admin logs into the system. Navigate to Menu, HR Management, Workforce Management, and Skills and Qualifications. In the Employee Competency Profile tab, add competency details. In the Qualification Information tab, add employee qualification details. In the Employee Skills tab, add employee skill details. In the Previous Experience and Role tab, add details of the employee's previous experience. Now, let's move inside the system to understand this process in detail. This is the login screen. Enter the user ID and password, then click Login. After successful login, the admin lands on the home page. The home page displays tiles related to different modules. Click on the menu. Go to HR Management. Select Workforce Management. Click on Skills and Qualification. On this page, you can view Employees Without Skills widget, Employees Without Qualifications widget, Advanced Search Options, Top 5 Skills in the Organization, Bottom 5 Skills, and Top 5 Universities from which employees have graduated. Now go to the screen. On the left-hand side, filters are available to find a specific employee. You can search using employee number, employee name, university, qualification, and skills. Select Gaurav Sharma from the list of employees. The employee details are displayed. Left panel details include work organization, employee number, department, employee name, position, grade, and location. Main screen details include employment type, date of birth, employment start date, employment end date, gender, marital status, email address, and mobile number. Tabs available are Employee Competency Profile, Qualification Information, Employee Skills, and Previous Experience and Role. Go to the Employee Competency Profile tab and click Create New Record. Select the competency name, adaptability and learning agility. Select the competency level from the list of values such as needs improvement, meets expectations, or exceeds expectations. Click Save. Repeat the same steps to add additional competencies. Return to the untoggled form to view all added competencies. Navigate to the Qualification Information tab. Select the university name and enter the institute name. Select the qualification name and choose the status as failed, ongoing, passed, or terminated. Enter the start date and end date if applicable, and click Save. Create a new record to add additional qualifications, if any. Return to the untoggled form. You can view university name, institute name, qualification, status, start date, and end date. At this stage, employee competencies and qualifications have been successfully added. Next, we will add the employee skills. Navigate to the Employee Skills tab and click Create New Record. Select the skill name. Add skills one by one. Technical proficiency. Click Save and create a new one. Time management. Click Save and New. Click Save and New. Teamwork. Click Save and New. Communication. Click Save after adding the final skill. Note: the Save and New button saves the current record and opens a new form to add the next skill. Return to the untoggled view. All added skills are now visible. Next, navigate to the Previous Experience and Role tab to add the employee's work experience. Employer name. Enter the organization where the employee previously worked. SSD organization. Country. Select the country where the organization is located. Role. Enter the role performed by the employee. Employment duration. Start date is when the employee joined the organization, and end date is when the employee left the organization. Experience calculation. The system automatically calculates total experience based on the start and end dates. Currently working. If the employee is still working with the organization, mark this checkbox. Role description. Add any additional details related to the role, if required. Click Save. The experience record is saved successfully. If the employee has more experience entries, click Create New Record and repeat the steps. At this stage, we have successfully added employee competencies, employee qualifications, employee skills, and employee previous experience and roles. This completes the process of managing employee skills and qualification details in the Onfinity system. Thank you for attending this session.